most of us, unless we're in a movie or in a soap opera, we're gonna wake up like this. Hair messed up, not a care in the world, no makeup, nothing. But I wanted to show you my morning routine, which is not complicated at all. I just take a shower, and then after that, I do my makeup, which literally takes me 5 minutes to do because I do not give a care in this world about how my makeup looks. And then fix your hair and get ready to go. So let's see how I do it. Okay, love, so after I take a shower and I brush my teeth, all I really do is I kind of just brush my fingers through my hair. Unless I have a special occasion, I'll probably straighten it or curl it like I showed in my last video with the straightening, with the straighteners. But then after that, I just do my makeup, and I'm literally always on the run, or I just really do not care to spend 30 minutes or 40 minutes, or even girls who spend an hour doing makeup, which is nothing wrong if that's what you like, but I just want to do a simple look, kind of get my face together, and go out into public. So that's what I'm going to show you guys what I do. All I use for my face, well, right after I get out the shower, I use this face cream, which is made by Green Apples Nutrition, which I will link in the description, their YouTube page, which they have awesome recipes. They have awesome homemade stuff that you can do for your hair, for your face, for your skin, and so I highly recommend them. And I'm almost gone too. I gotta buy some more, because this is what I use for my face right after I get out of the shower. I place it all over my face, and then after it's kind of penetrated through my skin a bit, that's when I start my makeup. So the first thing I do is I get this compact powder. It's called Ana Maria, and this I actually got from Colombia because I really like the powders that they make in Colombia, since it's actually based on rice, so it doesn't have talc and those heavy things that clog up your pores. So I get this, and it's very high cover actually. I grab a little bit, and the first thing I do is I put it under my eyes, and then over my eyes like that. Just like that. Again on the other side. Pretty quick, pretty nice, and then get it all over the place. Like that. Now, if I want extra coverage, I don't like to use foundation and stuff like that because it just feels heavy. And I live here in Florida, and when it's said to get hot and muggy, it is hot and muggy. So I literally would feel like my face is melting, and I do not like that. So I just do under the eye again, just to make sure. All over the face, and then so it doesn't look powdery. I like to use my hands a lot. You will not see brushes and all of that because I don't have time for that. I don't like to use them. I literally just kind of brush through my face a little bit so there's not any clogged powder on here. And the next thing I do is I grab these eyeshadows, which I got at the dollar store. And as you can see, the only one I have used is this one, and then this brown one, which you will see me use to fill in my eyebrows. So the only brush I have is this one. And then from Bare Minerals, and this one I just lightly put this here, tap, and then I fill in my eyebrows really quick, just like that. Tap and then fill in my eyebrows. I don't like to make them too dark. I mean, if that's your style, that's great. I've seen some girls do awesome eyebrows, but I just don't have the skill for that, and then I feel like I just look way too bold for my liking when I have really, really dark eyebrows. So there you go, eyebrows are done. Now the next thing I do is I grab my pinky and I go here on the white one that I like, and I just place it on my eyelid. That's all I do. And then I grab the other pinky, place it on my other eyelid. Just like that. And then if I want to make it even a bolder look, I do it again. It's that easy. Just do it and do it. Now, I have been doing a lot of the cat eye winged look for a while, but so it doesn't take me long to do it. I just grabbed this one from e.l.f. at Walmart. It costs $2, and I actually think it's awesome. It wears all day. It doesn't smudge up here like some of the more expensive ones that I have bought, and it doesn't chip and crack and then start peeling. It actually lasts all day. So I grab it and I just wet the brush, and then I literally glide it across. And I grab it again, but not like putting it fully in there, just kind of like at the top getting it wet again. And then I do the wing eye look. Again, I am very subtle. I don't like to do dramatic looks on me. I just don't think it looks good on me. That's why I just do like a little winged eye look. And I always find, since I'm left-handed, my right eye is a little bit more difficult, and that's the one I'm about to do, because I have to cross my hand over. But it works. I mean, you make it work. It's just that. You might find that my voice is a little weird. That's because I've been fighting to not get sick. But it's not easy, because everybody around me is sick. It's flu season. There we go. Just do the wing eye look like that real quick. So the next thing I do is I grab my handy dandy mascara, and I buy this one from L'Oreal, the Butterfly. I honestly bought it because I love butterflies. So it said butterfly, and I was like, sold. And it actually came out pretty good. I like the wand on it. It's kind of plasticky, as you can see. So it really grabs it. I don't have long eyelashes to begin with, so I really need something that will grab them and take them far. Take them far in life, so that I can actually seem like I have eyelashes. So I will just do this and then kind of wipe off the little point, or else I always get it on me. And then work my way from the root up, kind of wiggling, 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 and wiggling. And then, again, I do that. And then this time, I know I'm weird, I do it with my right hand to do my right eye, because you don't need that much coordination like when you're doing the winged eye look. And then from the root up, I wiggle. I wiggle up. And I kind of blink too when it's at the root to kind of help pull them up. And then without putting it back in there, I go back to my left eye and I do it again. Okay, so that's about as much of eyelashes I'm gonna get anyway, so why even bother? And then depending on my mood, I will also lightly put it on the bottom, just lightly, because I don't like the dramatic look. And I got it dramatic. It happens for videos. Okay? And if you see you got messed up a little bit, it doesn't matter. Just kind of wipe it off with your finger, because we're going to grab our friend Ana Maria again, and we're just going to lightly powder underneath our eyes again. Just lightly. Lightly, and then with our hands, like we did before, we're going to kind of just spread it out so we don't have any clogs of powder on our nose, because that's going to look weird. Now, for my cheeks, I don't contour. I don't know how to contour. I used to try to do that, and then I wouldn't blend well, and it would just look like a hot mess. I feel like I'm actually kind of lucky because my bone structure is a little bit, I don't know, I feel like it's a little bit defined. It might not be to you, but that's why I don't like to contour. I put this, which is also Green Apples does this. It's completely natural. You can use it for your lips. It's the color red. I literally go like that, and I look like I'm ready to fight. What? Come at me. And then I grab these two fingers, or my, these whole fingers, and I kind of just spread it throughout so that it doesn't look like very defined. And basically that's it. You can even use this for your lips again, or you can use any lip gloss you want, put it on, and you're ready to go. That's it. I mean, it took me less than 5 minutes to do. I am ready to go. So many people have asked me, how do I get my skin to look this healthy? And I will tell you the same thing you've heard many other times before. It's what you put inside your body which actually shows on your skin, on your body. It's what you take inside, what you eat. And I drink a lot of water. But I also recommended to you Green Apples Nutrition, which I'm linking their YouTube in the description box, so you can see recipes that are easy to make if you're on the go, and that are completely healthy, that they're good for your body so that you're not having breakage or so that you're not having dull skin. It actually revives your body. I really suggest you go ahead and take a look to see if you find something useful for you, which I'm sure you will. So that's my everyday look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will be seeing you next time. Bye, loves. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun videos.